Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends. Get ready, draw and make these plump strawberries pop with color. Grab your crayons, markers, or paints and bring out the sweetness in these delicious berries.
Perfect. Awesome. Cool. Bravo. Perfect.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.